Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your WhatsApp, backup from Google Drive to iCloud. All right, this is going to be a very easy method. You need to go ahead and download this. Just search AnyTrans download. Okay, you can download this on your Windows or Mac. And if you need a manager for your Android or iOS device, you can go ahead and download this one. It's called AnyDroid. Okay, this one is self-explanatory. When you launch the app, it'll guide you. Now this one I'm going to show you how to use, okay? This is called AnyTrans. Get this either in your Windows or your Mac. So this is how you use this. So first you need to go ahead and launch AnyTrans on your computer. And then I want you to come and click here on a Social Messages Manager on the left panel. And then come here and choose from Google Drive Backup in the Restore WhatsApp mode, okay? And then what I need you to do is I need you to enter your Gmail and password to sign into your Google account. And then just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to give authorization to WhatsApp backup on Google Drive in your browser. So now you can choose a specific WhatsApp Google Drive backup history to view and restore. Okay, so to go basically preview and restore the media files attached to WhatsApp chats, you can go ahead and tap on the attachments, right, in the following interface. So instead, if you seek to restore messages and calls, you should go ahead and connect the Android device that created the backup to decrypt the Google Drive backup first. So you can connect this via the same Wi-Fi, or you can even do this via a USB, cable. And then I want you to go ahead and click on a decrypt now to decrypt the messages and calls on your Google Drive backup. Now, finally, to go ahead and restore WhatsApp messages to your iPhone, you should connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable and click on the messages. Okay? And you can also choose to print or restore them to your computer as well. So go ahead and do that. Select them and then just come and click on restore here. Okay? And select all of them, click on restore. Next, what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and transfer the WhatsApp backup from iPhone to iCloud. So having restored WhatsApp from Google Drive to iPhone, now you can back up your WhatsApp from iPhone to iCloud without a computer. All right, go to your settings, click on chat backup, and then come here and click on backup, and then go ahead and back it up to your iCloud. Just select the iCloud account you would like to back it up to. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.